So I'm gonna be showing you my easy foaming hand soap. Here I'm going to fill my jar halfway, and then I will add colloidal silver. Now what people normally do is add half water, half soap, but the reason I'm using colloidal silver is to avoid bacteria from building up in the soap. So if you're using water, just know to not keep it out for long, because it won't have a long shelf life. And I'm using essential oil as fragrance. Alright, so now you can add, oh yeah, so I'm using the essential oil. I'm using lemon and sweet orange as my fragrance. Lemon and sweet orange essential oil. I like citrus smells. And yeah, when you add your essential oil, give it a light stir, and when you are done, you can go ahead and put on your lid. So if you are wondering, I got those lids from Amazon and they were pretty cheap. I've forgotten the price, but they were not that expensive, and it came with those labels, so really nice. Voila, there you go, your foaming hand soap. Pretty, right? So next I'll show you my toilet cleaner. This is also really simple. I have here almost a full bottle of hydrogen peroxide. You can use the whole bottle, and I'm just adding soap, about 2 tablespoons. The hydrogen peroxide is going to help with stains and disinfect the toilet bowl. The soap, I guess I just added it for the bubbles or whatever, but yeah, the hydrogen peroxide alone will do all the work that you need. So if you don't want to add soap, you will still be fine. But I guess maybe if there's, I don't know, but yeah, I just added the soap, 2 tablespoons soap, and that is it. Just remember, with hydrogen peroxide, you have to keep it in an opaque container, or you just have to make it and use everything. But if you keep it in a container that light goes through, then you probably not have a good hydrogen peroxide. It will be weak. This is the toilet block I made. I will link the video below, and I use it for odor neutralization. And so that is it. I will show you my glass cleaner later. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Subscribe, please.